What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your networking issues on Cursor AI. So the first thing I want to recommend to you is ensure that you have an active and working internet connection on your PC. So you want to check the lower right hand side of your PC, check to see that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and of course you want to go ahead and open up your browser and search for whatever page and just see that your internet is working fine. So if I go to, for example, cursor.com, you can see that it's currently working and the internet is working fine. So now that you know that the internet is working fine, go ahead and close out of the Cursor application, and you want to go ahead and reopen up that application once more. So go ahead and try that, and if the issue is still, if you're still facing issues, then I will show you a few more things that you can actually do. So once you open it, check to see if it's working again. If you're still facing issues, go ahead and click the settings gear on the upper right hand side, then go down to where it says network, and from here you can run the network diagnostics. So you can click on that and you could do a quick run, and it's going to quickly check to see if everything is working fine, guys. Now if everything is working fine, that means that you don't have any problems with your internet. You can quickly go ahead and check the logs. Anywhere it shows where the problem is, then I recommend that you start checking from there. So if you're facing, for example, DNS issue, then I would recommend that you check DNS on your PC. So what I'd recommend, for example, if you have DNS problems right there, is to simply go ahead and open up your network. So you can just type in network connection on your PC, and you can simply open up the view network connections section here, and you want to see what you're using, if you're using a Wi-Fi or if you're using Ethernet. So let's say you're using Wi-Fi. Right click on that, and you want to go to properties. Once you head over to properties, you want to go to where it says IPv4 right here, and you can go ahead and click on properties from there. And in case you're using any DNS, for example, like myself right here, you want to switch this to obtain automatically. So I'm going to switch this to obtain automatically and click on OK, and from there you can go ahead and try to run the diagnostics once more to see if it fixes your issues. I really hope that it helps, guys, and let me know if that actually helps for you. One of the last thing that you can also do is to open up your command prompt on your Windows as well, and you can do like a release and renew of your IP config there. Try that, restart your computer, and see if the issues actually solve the problem. I hope that it helps. If you're still having problems, one of the last resort you can do is just try to reinstall this Cursor AI application. Just head over to their main website and you can download it again from their main website. As you can see, install it again on your PC fresh, and I hope that it will at least fix the problems for you.